I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to disable Airplay or iPhone screen mirroring. Now let's say you have this TV, but then you don't have an iPhone or a MacBook or even an iPad, and you want to disable screen mirroring because maybe your neighbor or someone else tries to screen mirror their Apple devices to your TV. So what you need to do is simply go to settings. So from the home screen, this is the home screen. If you're not on the home screen, just press the home button on your remote to get to this home screen, and then scroll up to this menu at the top there, and then go to settings. On settings, scroll down to connections, and then under connections, go to Airplay and HomeKit and select that. That's going to launch Airplay. And with Airplay launched, you can see it's on, and it's normally on by default. So to disable, make sure Airplay is selected and then press OK on your remote. And now it says Airplay off, and that means you've successfully disabled Apple Airplay. And then now you can exit by using the back button or press the home button. And that is basically how to turn off or how to disable Airplay on your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.